Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Math 20-1 lesson, we are working on RF3 and RF4, quadratic functions. We will study standard form, vertex form, factored form, completing the square, transformations, intercepts, domain and range, and modeling. After each idea, we will do examples, so the graph and the algebra connect clearly. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. A quadratic function can be written in three useful forms. Standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Vertex form is y equals a times x minus p squared plus q. Factored form is y equals a times x minus r times x minus s. Each form reveals different information, so a strong student chooses the form that fits the question. Example 1. In y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 3, the y-intercept is easy to see. It is 3. Example 2. In y equals negative 3 times x minus 4 squared plus 5, the vertex is 4, 5. Example 3. In y equals x minus 2 times x plus 6, the zeros are 2 and negative 6. Same family of functions, different forms, different clues. Standard form is useful for the y-intercept and for finding the axis of symmetry. For y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, the axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. Once you know the axis, substitute that x value into the function to find the vertex. Example 4. Find the vertex of y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8. Here a is 1 and b is negative 6. The axis is negative b over 2a, so x equals 3. Substitute 3, y equals 9 minus 18 plus 8, which is negative 1. The vertex is 3, negative 1, and the y-intercept is 8. Vertex form gives the transformation story immediately. In y equals a times x minus p squared plus q, the vertex is p, q. The value p moves the graph left or right, q moves it up or down. And it controls opening direction and vertical stretch or compression. Example 5. For y equals 2 times x minus 1 squared minus 8, the vertex is 1, negative 8. The graph opens up because it is positive, and it is vertically stretched by a factor of 2. Example 6. For y equals negative 1/2 times x plus 3 squared plus 4, the vertex is negative 3, 4. It opens down and is vertically compressed by a factor of 1/2. Factored form shows the zeros. In y equals a times x minus r times x minus s, the x-intercepts are 0 and s, 0. The axis of symmetry is halfway between the zeros. Then substitute the axis value to find the vertex. Example 7. For y equals x minus 2 times x minus 8, the zeros are 2 and 8. The axis is their average 5. Substitute 5, y equals 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9. The vertex is 5, negative 9. The parabola opens up because it is positive. Completing the square converts standard form into vertex form. The key pattern is x squared plus bx plus half of b squared. We add and subtract the same value so the expression stays equivalent. This reveals the vertex when factoring is not the fastest path. Example 8. Convert y equals x squared plus 8x plus 10 to vertex form. Half of 8 is 4, and 4 squared is 16. Write y equals x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 16 plus 10. The trinomial becomes x plus 4 squared, and the constants combine to negative 6. So vertex form is y equals x plus 4 squared minus 6, with vertex negative 4, negative 6. Every quadratic function has domain all real numbers. The range depends on the vertex and the opening direction. If the parabola opens up, the minimum y value is the vertex y value. If it opens down, the maximum y value is the vertex y value. Example 9. For y equals 3 times x minus 2 squared minus 5, the vertex is 2, -5. And the graph opens up. The domain is all real numbers, and the range is y greater than or equal to -5. Example 10. For y equals -x plus 1 squared plus 7, the graph opens down. The range is y less than or equal to 7. Example 11. A ball has height h equals -4.9 t squared plus 19.6 t plus 1. This is standard form. The time of maximum height is -v over 2a. That is -19.6 over 2 times -4.9, which equals 2. Substitute t equals 2, and the maximum height is 20.6 meters. The y-intercept, 1, means the ball started 1 meter above the ground. Great work! For RF3 and RF4, choose your form with purpose. Standard form gives the y-intercept and axis formula. Vertex form gives transformations and range quickly. Factored form gives zeros. Completing the square changes standard form into vertex form. Always connect the algebra to the graph. Vertex, axis, intercepts, domain, range, and real-world meaning. Like the video and subscribe for more Math 20-1 lessons.